Okay, see this big massive thing? This is the Galaxy, so we're gonna go in there. That's the VIP East. But there's different wings and there's some construction, so we're gonna go through it on another side. More construction over there too. And this right here that I'm looking at is the grounds. This is probably one of the biggest casinos, I think. I'm not sure, maybe somebody else would know. But this also goes into the train as well. But our focus is gonna be this one. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is Galaxy. So Galaxy, this is the whole Galaxy part there. And then this is the Broadway that we just came in and did a different video. And then there's more of the kind of Broadway, Galaxy Mall area. So people come in this way, and it looks like today there's some activity. So I don't know what they're doing, some kind of photo shoot. Looks like with kids, so maybe locals are doing a photo shoot. Maybe this place is a new store, maybe? I don't know. Let's go see and find out. Huh. You're doing a commercial? They're setting everything up there. Okay, so I guess they're setting up a commercial, I guess. Well, we're gonna continue. At least there's some activity. There's some palm angels, something new is opening up. You see me walking my camera in the reflection, I think. So we're inside this, so once an hour this has a big show. So we're inside, this is all called Galaxy. So we're gonna, they're doing all this kind of stuff here, and then there's some people coming in. And they basically have a show right here, and I think I have to be really careful with the camera because I guess we're not allowed to film inside, but I think I see people filming this all the time. So I guess that we might be allowed. So, thank you. So let's just turn off the camera before I get in trouble. Okay, so this is the Galaxy, so we're gonna start here, and there's this beautiful chandelier, kind of changes colors a little bit. So we're just gonna show you some of this, and sometimes this will later have a really beautiful show to it. And so this is basically the lobby right here, and they're doing like little heat checks in this space. So they're doing little heat checks. So when people come in, they're just checking them to see. So it's because of the COVID, so you can see like a little temperature thing. I'm just gonna show. There it is right there. Yeah, green, yellow, red. So, thank you. So that basically says if you have a green, it means that you can come in. And if you have the yellow or red, then it means that you cannot. So so everywhere has that now. So we're just gonna walk through. There's a casino floor to the right, so I don't want to film that one right here, but I do want to film how beautiful this lobby is. So this is inside the Galaxy, and there's a reception. And so I just asked permission to film inside, and they said yes. So I had another person that said no, but actually the gaming you can't, but this you can, and this is really beautiful in here. And this has a show, I guess they say once an hour. So once every hour, there's a show right in there. And there's a... And this is the lobby right here. Very beautiful place. Chandeliers. And then this is called Café de Paris. Let's just take a look in this real quick. Let's see how beautiful this is. You can just take a look. The Monaco Grand Prix. So I don't want to go too far. Can I film this? So thank you. So there's a Macau Grand Prix, and there's also, it's based off of the Monaco Grand Prix right here. And actually the Macau one is kind of similar, has a route that's kind of So pretty cool. So we're just gonna keep on exploring. And let me just film this real quick. So there we go. So I'm gonna try not to get in any trouble here. When I first came in, I had somebody asked me if I had permission, so I went to go get permission and I got it. So they said I can film in certain spaces, but it's COVID, so nobody's really around. But this is the lobby right here. But we're gonna just film. Okay, this is our tasty Korean food, so let's take a look. So you got kind of a japchae noodle kind of stuff. It's like glass noodle with a nice bulgogi sauce to it. This is like an egg, and yeah, it's looking pretty tasty. I can't wait to get into it. So let's do that. And this is our almost empty venue. Let's enjoy. Okay, we're gonna leave the Galaxy Macau casino. Actually, that's the exit of the movie theater, which is closed with COVID. What's that, July 2020? What's that say? Looks like they're advertising something. To the left, you can see they're doing heat check stuff. This is the beautiful Galaxy lobby. And you can see it's kind of a rainy day today. And bye. So let's head on out. And okay, this is where taxis would drop people off at. Not much activity at all. And there's a train right there, so that train will drop people off as well. So that train is started January, I believe. Now you can see the train line up there way, and they're building lots of stuff for the Galaxy too. So there's and it's raining quite a bit. So yeah, a whole other wing is being built there for I guess hotel rooms, I guess. And cranes. It feels like they've been doing that forever. And that's the Venetian. Yep, so okay, so right here you can see the Venetian's over there. And then this is our Galaxy. Actually, you can see them doing some work right there. So it looks like they're bringing down something right there. Let's kind of watch that a little bit. Yeah, you can see this whole structure. So there's like one wing over there. This is ours that we were just in, and then this is another wing, and then there's like, kind of goes around in a big circular circumference. Okay, I guess these are some well-known restaurants probably that they're advertising. And there's a train over there, so we're gonna walk across there, and we'll end this one. We'll end it right here. So there you go. So we're gonna film this real quick. So these all say Galaxy Macau staff shuttle bus. So there's 1, 2, 3. So all of these are just shuttle bus employees. So I guess those are people coming and going. This is a better view of the construction. So you can see 1 wing, 2 wings, 3 wings, 4 wings. So this one is all being constructed. And then I wouldn't be surprised if these 3 are also shuttle buses. They have a sign on the back. So I think that these are the same as these. So I guess there's kind of a shift at the moment between for employees. And you got the big front sign right there too. So okay, there's the Galaxy right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.